Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add contacts in Mailchimp. So simply, first of all, what we need to do, just you have to open the contacts. So for this you have to go on all contacts. Simply here click on import contacts. So how would you like to add contacts? You can also copy paste, you can also import. So when you have to copy paste, you can simply paste the all contacts here, or you can type all the contacts here, and simply you can type email, phone number and all the details here. You can also add one by one all the contacts here. So there is another way I'm going to tell you. Simply you have to click on all contacts. Now click on import contacts. Now here you have to upload a file. So just you can upload a text file here. So simply click here and you have to select the text file of contact. This format is supported. Simply click here. Now wait for few seconds. So here you can select the option. I have selected the subscribe option. Here you can add tags, and here you can see finally I have added some contacts in Mailchimp.